Good morning. Well, if you live somewhere sunny, do me a favor and please go outside and walk today. Yesterday I had my sunroof open, the sun was shining, and today is the complete opposite. It is so rainy and gray here today that luckily I have lots to do around my house. So get outside for a sunshine walk if you live somewhere sunny. For me, think of me as you do it. And if you do, let me know in the comments down below, because I need to get outside. I'm in my kitchen and I was just kind of tidying up, but I wanted to share something with you. So I know so many of us have KitchenAid mixers, and I don't know, was it last year or the year before, KitchenAid came out with that gorgeous dark green mixer with the beautiful wood bowl, and I think every woman in America wanted it. And they weren't selling the bowl individually. I don't know if they do now or not, but and you know, a KitchenAid mixer lasts you pretty much your lifetime, right? I think mine is over 20 years old. It's probably more than that. It's probably 30 years old, 25, 30 years old. So cannot justify a new KitchenAid mixer, but I did find something amazing on Amazon, and it is a beautiful wood bowl. You guys, this bowl, it is walnut. It is so beautiful. It fits a 4.5 to 5 quart KitchenAid mixer. So as long as you have the tilt head on it, it should work. I'll show you it on mine. I mean, the level that it takes it up a notch. And right now it is on crazy sale. So I'm gonna link it for you because it's just so beautiful. If by the time you're watching this, it's not still on sale, I'm sorry. But it's worth every penny. So if you love that look and you have your KitchenAid mixer out on your counter and you just want to take it up a notch, I'll show you what it looks like. Mine looks like with the stainless steel bowl, and then what it looks like with this beautiful wood bowl. Now, I did see on Amazon they sell a silicone insert that's not very expensive that you can just put inside and mix right in this. Of course you can mix inside this bowl, but I think I'm probably going to get the silicone liner that goes inside. I also have my stainless steel bowls, so I can just keep using those as well. But for a display especially, this bowl is just so beautiful. Okay, again, lighting here is awful today, but this is my mixer. So I have the metallic chrome, and here it is with the bowl on it. I mean, it's so beautiful. Now let me put the stainless steel bowl on so you can see. So here's my mixer with the stainless steel bowl, and it's still great, of course. It just looks a little more industrial. So I just love how the wood bowl just really takes it up a notch. It's just so beautiful. Okay, right? Isn't that beautiful? I love it so much. The other thing they have, which my girlfriend has, and I will put her video right here so you can see it, is a piece of wood, a little wood stand that goes underneath your mixer, and it makes it really easy to slide around your counter. So I'm gonna order that as well. I'll link the one that I'm gonna get. So since this bowl is walnut, I'm gonna order the walnut one so that they'll be similar, color, but I think it's a really cool feature. I have one of those sliding things. I'll show it to you here right underneath my espresso machine, and it just makes it so easy to pull it out from under the counter, fill it up with water, fill it up with beans. So if you're looking for something like that, I'm going to link that for you too. So here's the wood slider that I have underneath my espresso machine. I just did black because my countertops are black, which I don't love, but that's for another day. But look at this. It just moves it so easy. So you can just pull it out, fill it up with beans and water, and then push it right back. So I'll link that for you as well. Hello, just out here in my greenhouse. Thought I would say hi, and I'm gonna do a little check on my seedlings, but I wanted to share this really cool little watering gadget I got off of Amazon, and I'll show you how it works. So it's really great because you know how, when you water with a watering can, sometimes the water washes away the seedling or it kind of knocks over the little seedling. Well, this just comes out in a really light little stream and you can water all your seedlings. It's just the best little tool. So you just fill it up and then squeeze out any of the water. Well, it is Thursday and we have a really beautiful sunny day here today. Cold, but sunny. I didn't go on a walk this morning. I just kind of got trapped in, online emails kind of thing. So anyway, I did get dressed now though, and I am actually going to go get a manicure, still on my natural nail journey, but I do love going to get a manicure so that I don't have to cut and file, and my cuticles are kind of a mess. And it's like I was debating because I really want to work in my greenhouse this weekend, but I'll just double up on the gloves because I am going to go out tomorrow night with a girlfriend. So I just thought I would like to have my nails done, and then I'm just going to run some errands. So if I see anything exciting or do anything exciting when I'm out, I'll share it with you, and hope you're having a good day so far. Okay, before I head out on my errand, I thought I would just share I call it a loaded water because I like to just take this thing and fill it up with everything that I need to drink for the day. It's funny because I had shared recently all my supplements over on Instagram, and one of the biggest comments is you take all that. And yes, I do. To each his own, right? But a lot of them are powders and I just mix them together. I think I shared this before. I mean, no one has time to drink 6 glasses of different stuff. So I thought I would share what is in this one because it's one of my favorites. So first off, one thing I have in here is I take a product called, I call it the Daily Duo, and it's basically a nootropic type of drink mix, and it also has a capsule that you take together. But this has caffeine in it, nootropics, so it's meant to rev your metabolism, energize you, get you going for the day. It really helps to suppress my appetite. It's helping with a lot of that puffiness that I tend to get. So it's one of my favorites. I do 1 scoop a day, half in the morning, half in the afternoon. If I'm filling this up, I always just do 1 scoop and put it in here, and I've been sipping on this. I'll stop drinking it probably around 3 o'clock because it does have caffeine. But what else I like to add into it, and some of my new favorite products are from Proper. So I'm not sure if you've heard about them. It's a wellness brand created by Amanda Klutz. And today I've got their new hydration boost in here. So I love a hydration boost. So, think of like Element, Liquid IV. There's lots of hydration boosts on the market. And I love this one. So this is watermelon berry, and then this is kind of a mixed packet. I have cucumber melon in here today. So it has 5 key electrolytes, 8 bioavailable trace minerals, and then 390 milligrams of sodium. A lot of times these type of drink mixes, these hydration mixes, taste really salty, and that's too much for me. And I really love the taste of this. Subtle, so good. And then what else I like to mix in my loaded water, and what I've done today is I have a couple more Proper products that I love. And the first one is the Daily Boost. So this is the superfood powder. So organic wheatgrass, spirulina, and kale. And it's a green apple flavor, not too grassy, because I know that's a big thing for me. It can't taste too grassy. So I really love this powder. And then my other favorite, I have a lot of her products, but I really love these two, is the Daily Glow. This one is peach. It's delicious. So I really love that. I have a couple more, hang on. I also have this sleep support, and I really love this. I had forgotten about it, and I drank this the other night, and I really loved how I felt. So it is, it's got melatonin, magnesium, L-theanine, GABA, valerian root, and tart cherry. All those things that are supposed to help, make us sleep better. So really love this. And then they just sent me this one, which is a lavender lemonade, but it is a calming aid. So this one has ashwagandha, GABA, L-theanine, and magnesium in it. So I thought this one sounded amazing. There's also reishi mushroom in this one, and you just do 1 scoop to 8 ounces of water. Actually, I think it's already loaded up. And you know what? It's so weird because, I mean, all the flavors, I have green apple, cucumber melon, peach, this green superfood in there. And now I'm gonna add a scoop of this lavender lemonade to it. It all just tastes fine together. And my little nootropics drink mix is a tropical sunrise, it's called. Ooh, this one smells good. It has that lavender undertone. So if you like lavender, this one could be a good one. So I'm just adding a scoop of that in as well. So anyway, regardless, oh, and my creatine's in here too. So anyway, regardless of what you like to drink, make a loaded water. Add in whatever you want. You could add in your collagen powder. You could, you know, if you do like a clear protein, there's a lot of those clear proteins out there that are berry flavored. You could add that as well. For me, it is just an easy way to get everything in here and then just drink it up. So, and you know, it's perfect. I'm headed out to go get a manicure and run a couple errands, and I'll just have this with me. So I think this is just the easiest way to do it. So anyway, just wanted to share. Happy Saturday. Out here in the garden, we're having an amazing day today. So I've been just doing all kinds of things. I hung up this little rack that I got. I thrifted this last year, and I decided to just hang it right here above my potting bench. And it's so cute. My girlfriend got me these really cute little terracotta bells, so I hung those and some tools. So getting things geared up. Let's see, what did I do in my garden beds today? Basically, all the radishes that I had sowed were ready to go into the ground, so I did that. I also did some peas here. I'm gonna do some purple peas right there. I'm gonna soak those. I did cucumbers on this trellis last year, and they did really, really well. So I am gonna do that again. I just need to get some cucumber seeds. The one thing I don't have. And the tulips are just popping. They're so pretty. I'm actually going to cut those few and bring them in the house so I can enjoy them. I sowed some spinach today. My lettuces are getting bigger. I'm going to be gone next weekend for Easter, so I'm going to leave these in here and let them get bigger, and then I'll put them out. Sweet peas are growing. The garlic is growing. And over here, I sowed nasturtiums, snapdragons, and I did a row of pumpkins and then more nasturtiums. I did a few different types of pumpkins here, and yeah, I did some echinacea and some hollyhock. This year, what I decided to do with pumpkins is I did some pumpkins on my garden on the side there, just did not get enough sun. So I actually have a spot in my front yard that I am going to plant the pumpkins and let them just trail, and they'll get full sun. One of my friends, she planted pumpkins in her front yard, and they did amazing, and it looked so cute. So that's what I'm going to do this year. Good morning. Happy Sunday. just getting out here for my walk. It is chilly and cloudy, so really glad I got into my greenhouse yesterday and took care of a lot of business. I even ran out later in the afternoon and grabbed more soil, potting soil, seed starting soil mix to make my seed mix that I make. Got a few extra seed packets. It's kind of a problem. Luckily they're cheap. However, probably if you added up all the seed packets that are in my seed notebook, it would be quite a bit. Anyway, so I might do a little more planting today. And yeah, I'm excited. I just texted a couple of my boys. One is on his way to a work trip. Another one is starting a new job. So fun to touch base with them. Sent a stroller video to my son and daughter-in-law who are expecting because they're stroller shopping. So just kind of tapping into all my kids today, especially the ones that live out of state. And yeah, that's it. We're all going to be together next week. On Friday, we're all headed to Boise to see my son who lives there. So the kids from Michigan are flying in, my son from Arizona, my mom and stepdad. We're all going over. My son that lives there is getting baptized on the Easter Vigil. So we're looking forward to that and celebrating him, but mostly just being all together. I mean, and the weather in Boise looks amazing. So I think there's going to be a hike on Sunday. And we've already decided that we're going to just go probably to Costco, and grab stuff. Going out to dinner with, 10 people is a lot, and it gets so expensive. And we all just want to be together. So we're just going to do lots of food at home. I'm sure there'll be some coffee or that kind of thing in there, but otherwise, yeah, just looking forward to being together, chatting about our new grandbaby, catching up with the kids and their new jobs, all that kind of stuff. So anyway, that is what's on tap for this week. I'll try to take you along in the next video. And thanks so much for being here. If you're new, hi. I would love for you to subscribe and stick around. And leave me a comment if you have any questions or you want to see anything from me. I always love to see your comments. So have a great rest of your weekend, and we'll see you next week.